We're going to be looking at the renovated 2-bedroom lock-off at Club 36. That's 2 hotel rooms with a shared door in the middle and 2 private entrances. We're going to start with the 1-bedroom deluxe, the larger 1-bedroom of the 2. Now we're going to look at the other side of the 2-bedroom lock-off. That's the 1-bedroom standard. The resort code for this room is A851. So you can find it on RCI. It is a Gold Crown resort, so it's one of the highest rankings that you can get in RCI. So Bluegreen is located on Tropicana Avenue. It's a few blocks off of the Strip. This is where it's at on the map. Just to give you an idea, the Bellagio fountains are here. The Cosmopolitan Hotel is across the street from that. Planet Hollywood, I believe, is here, somewhere in this area. Yeah, it's across from the Grand Chateau. And so it's not recommended to walk. I've done it before. It is doable. But the hotel actually provides a free shuttle until 11 p.m. It runs every 30 minutes with the exception of the noon hour and the 7 o'clock hour. So you have plenty of time plenty of opportunities to catch the shuttle to the Strip, catch the shuttle back from the Strip. You don't have to pay for parking because that shuttle is free. But this is about the distance from the hotel to the main attractions on the Strip. And obviously, if you want to go north of the Strip, where the Link is at, where the Strat is at, Trump Hotel is at, the new Resorts World, you can do that. If you're looking for the Welcome to Las Vegas sign and some of the other attractions, you would head south on the Strip. That's the New York, the Luxor Hotel, the Mandalay Bay. And this is actually the Las Vegas sign, but they don't provide a shuttle to those locations. That's just if you're already on the Strip and you catch the bus or the monorail. If you have a car, those are just other options for you. Remember, you can always book timeshare properties if you're willing to do a tour. Every timeshare company has, usually they call it a deals page or an offers page, where if you pay, in this case, a couple $100, $249, you'll get a 3-night stay and you could use it at Club 36 and they'll give you $100 back. So for essentially $150 total, that's not per night. If you're willing to do the timeshare tour during your stay, you can get a 3-night stay for $150. And of course, if you want more information about timeshares and how to travel using points and credit card rewards, check out gatesonthego.com for more room tours and information about timeshare and vacation clubs.